So hello everyone, I have here a Spark 2018. So I just want to demonstrate how to remove the airbag from the steering wheel. I have opened the steering wheel. As you can see, it has no hole punches here. So what you need to do is have a screwdriver. First of all, you have to open this cover, which is this one. You have to remove it first, and then from the back you need a screwdriver, not long enough and sharp enough to not hit the dashboard, and go inside. Over here you can actually see from the back, and put it through here. Hold on, let me try to. You have to like push it in there and pull it down like this, and then these hooks will be released. So all three of them, one here, and the last one is this one. So you push through, and that's how you pull the airbags out.